Hello friends, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you a tool using which you can grow your Google local profile listing to top 3 results very easily. Yes, this tool does not only allows you to create a new Google business profile or to update an existing one, but it provides you such tools which will help you to grow your Google business profile to top 3 results, and that you can monitor from the tool itself, from within the tool itself. So guys, this tool is useful for digital marketing agencies. This is useful for freelancers who are working in digital marketing space. This tool is useful for businesses because every business needs to have a Google local business profile, and this tool is also useful for all those who are actually earning via affiliate marketing or planning to start earning through affiliate marketing. And all this I'll be discussing in this video with a complete tour of this tool. Guys, this tool is available on web, this tool is available on mobile app for Android currently. And guys, that's not all. You can also install this tool in your iOS devices, Mac devices, or any other operating system devices. In fact, in Windows also you can install it through PWA, which is available on its browser, and after installing, your app will open just like any other software. You don't need to log in via a browser, or you don't need to remember the URL of this tool in that case, guys. So we'll discuss everything. How is it beneficial for digital marketing agencies? How is it beneficial for businesses? How is it beneficial if you are planning to earn via affiliate marketing, and for freelancers as well in this video? So let me take you through a complete tour of this tool through its website. Friends, as you can see on this tool, this is a website, localseotoolsandtips.com, and here you can find a PWA file when you sign up for this tool. After that, and the same tool is available on Google Play Store by the name Google Business Profile Growth Manager, as you can see. And this is a view of this tool, as you can see on this image, where you can see it's a complete interface, a dashboard of this tool. And we'll be discussing about this tool. I'll be just taking up through a tour of this complete tool, but before that I'd just like to share with you the features, the pricing, which you must be interested in knowing whether this tool is available for free or not. If it's a paid tool only, then what are the pricing? But there is a good news, guys, this tool is having a free version, that too a lifetime free version. So guys, on the home page you can see different features of this tool. There are more features which we'll be discussing here, but a few main features we have shared on the main page, on the home page, guys. And if you want to know about more features, we can go to this features option, where it completely states that it's a Google Business Profile Growth Manager tool. Create and manage your Google business profile and grow your Google business profile 10x in a very fast and short span of time. Guys, this is a logo of this tool, as you can see here. Start, it's free, guys. And benefits of Google Business Profile Manager. So there are a lot of benefits in Google Business Profile Manager. You can auto reply reviews, you can create citations. Citation is a very important thing which people miss out while they are planning for ranking on Google local search results. You can schedule your posts and medias, which actually saves a lot of time, guys. And that's not all. In citation manager, there are a lot of features, guys, like this tool actually tells you which links are working, which are approved, which are not approved. It creates a complete backup of all the citations which you have created, so that you don't miss out those citations. Whenever you need, you can just download and give those citations to your client, or you can download it for your own reference as well, guys. If you are running an agency, then definitely it will be saving 80% plus time of your man hours. And guys, time is cost. Definitely, if you are saving 80% of your man hours, then you are saving a lot of money by using this tool. In a similar way, if you are a business, then you can manage this through this tool. You can check what is the health score of your business. You can check other things, like you can reply to reviews, you can set up auto reply of reviews, you can schedule the media photographs, so that every day one photograph is automatically scheduled and submitted on Google business profile. If you can create posts, then definitely you can schedule the post as well. You can create question and answers. You can answer questions asked by people online on your Google business profile, and lot more things, guys, that we'll be discussing in this complete series step by step. So guys, these are few features as you can see here, but there are more features which we'll be showing in this pricing section. As you can see, this is free, and there are a lot of features which we are providing in the free version, which actually the Google's main native tool which is not existing now. They have stopped its mobile application, and soon they'll be going to close down its Google online business section also. You can manage that through only the browser, through a Chrome browser, by logging into your Gmail ID. So that tool will no more be available in some time, and hopefully might be by now when you are watching this video, that tool is no more available. So guys, through this tool you can easily manage, create your business profile for free. But there are advanced things that you can do through the premium plan, which is having an individual as well as an agency plan. Individual plan, you can just create one business. You are given 2 users, so that you are as an admin can monitor it, and your staff which is managing this profile can actually be given a right based profile, so that they don't have access to everything you don't want to give access. And similar way, you can actually manage it for agencies, where we are giving 5 business locations for you. 6 users are provided to you. You can actually allocate, deallocate different locations to different users. You can give them rights, you can disable the user, so what not, you can do everything very easily through this agency access, and you can actually save 80% of your cost via using this tool. If you are an agency, definitely you will actually gain a lot. So all these things you can check. There are a lot of features given here, and if you want to see each and every feature that's mentioned here in this comparison section, where we are comparing our free, individual and agency plans. As you can see, number of location, it's giving 5 here. In case of agency, number of users, it's 6. In case of individual premium, it's 2, but in case of free, it's 1 only. And the posting, scheduling, everything is having a ample amount of quantity which you can actually easily manage. So guys, these are the features which you can see here. It provides you a health score, it provides you review management, it provides you an exclusive citation manager, which will help your profile to grow at a faster pace, because a lot of time it happens that you don't know where to create these citations. So it will be providing you good directories, good listing profile, business listing directories, where you can create citations, so you don't need to worry about getting those websites, as it's providing number of websites for your citation building. As well as you can create a log, it provides you a status of those citations, whether they have been approved or not. So it's very easy for you to create citations and to manage them and to take the status as well, and it saves a hell lot of time for you. So guys, there are automatically so many other features in this. As you can watch in this, you can get additional users, you can get additional locations, then more than 5. If you are managing more than 5 locations in an agency, then definitely you can add more locations, and there you will be charged pro rata, guys. There you won't be charged for the full tenure. You will be charged only for the remaining balance duration of your base plan. So guys, these are the pricing, and so many other things are also provided, like we have provided FAQs. Through FAQs you can get answer of each and every question which comes to your mind. Still, if you have more to query, you can actually get on to our chat option, which is visible on this website, and you can always chat. If our representatives are online there, they definitely reply you immediately, as they'll just reply you after they see that message. When you even leave that chat, you can just leave your email ID, contact details, so that they can get in touch with you and reply to your queries. Although you'll get all the questions answer in this FAQ section, guys. Other than that, guys, I told you about earning, that is through affiliate. As you can see, this is an affiliate link, so you can join as an affiliate. It's free. You can easily join with for an affiliate, and you will earn 25 to 40% of commission and a loyalty bonus too. So when you are loyal, you are actually promoting this tool on a frequent regular basis, and you are getting a lot of paid subscriptions for this tool, then definitely you are paid a loyalty bonus for all those subscriptions which are done in past, so that you can actually earn recursively on those subscriptions as well. So guys, whatever your question are, that how you get payment, how much you can earn, what is loyalty bonus, and what are the cookies duration, so all these things are mentioned on this website. Still, if you have any query regarding earning to this tool, you can just go ahead and ask us. So guys, now I'll just like to take you through a complete tour after we log in into this tool. Although everything will be explained in our continuing videos, each and every step will be explaining. Although this tool is very easy to use, you don't need that explanation as well. Still, you can miss out a lot of things which are actually not that visible. So I would recommend that you watch each and every video of this series. These are short videos, and definitely you will gain insight of what you can do through this tool in the premium version, in the free version, very easily. So guys, whenever we click on this sign up option, as you can see here, there's a sign up option, you will get this kind of screen. Here you have to just select that particular profile through which you want to create an account. If you already have an account, then you will be logged into that particular account. As you can see, we have logged into our account, and here you can click on manage. You will be directly in your profile. If you have multiple businesses added in this, you will be viewing this kind of listing as it's visible here. You have to just select any of the business which you want to manage. So now you can see the complete dashboard of this particular business, which opens up. If you are registering it for free or individual plan, so directly this particular option will be there. As you can see, this is a health score, and this health score will actually guide you where and what is missing, where you need to work. So it is showing that this does not exist, this exists, and everything like that. So you can just work on that, so that your profile score, your health score will improve, and definitely parallelly your Google business listing will also start improving, and it will actually move to the first page of Google results, then on the top 3 listing, that is 3 packs. So guys, here you can see you can actually share your business profile. You can create a short review link which you can share with your customers. You can even get a QR code of that review, so that you can print out those QR code or share it over across your WhatsApp or social media or web, so that people can scan that QR code and easily give you reviews. So guys, here you can just update your profile in this info section. You can post, you can schedule your post, you can schedule your media, and whatever you schedule, it's shown here in this schedule section. As you can see, from this insight section, you can actually get insights reports, which are actually very handy, very useful, and I'll just show you how these reports are flexible as compared to the reports which Google is showing up. So as you can see, in this report section, we have provided you start end date option, which is not provided by Google. You can see new profile performance report as well, which is a new feature which Google has recently released. So guys, other than that, there is a citation manager. As I told you, we'll be discussing about in our coming up videos how to create this citation. You can manage your question answers, you can manage reviews, you can set up auto reply of reviews, you can manage services, you can manage users if you are using multi-user, or you are using individual or agency access. So guys, this is all in this particular tour of this tool, and I hope you have actually understood about this tool. Now you can see this is an account section where you can actually register for affiliates. You can get promotional material, you can get promotional links, as you can see. And other than that, if you want to subscribe it, you can subscribe the plan very easily from here. I'll be creating a separate video for this plan section, so that it's easy for you to subscribe. Many times it happens that you don't understand how to buy this premium plan of this particular tool. So guys, this was all in this tool, and I hope that you have liked about. So guys, this was all about this tool. This was a complete tour of this tool, how you can actually get benefited from this tool, who can use this tool, what are the pricing, whether there is free option or not, and what features we are providing in its free as well as premium tool. So guys, don't forget to watch all the other videos in this series, so that you can get to know in detail about using this tool, and register this tool now because it's free to register. If you feel like availing the premium features, then definitely you can go for premium section. Thanks for watching this video.